Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Xfinity or Comcast account. So, first of all, open any web browser on your mobile device or a desktop, and in the web address bar, type in xfinity.com and hit enter. Then, it will take you to this page where on the top right corner of the screen, you can see an option named Sign In. Click on it. Then it will take you to this page where you'll have to enter your mobile number, email address, or username. You can enter any one of these. So go ahead and enter it. And once you've entered your email, mobile number, or username, type in your password in the box below. And once you've done that, click sign in and you should be successfully logged in to your Xfinity account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information and helpful videos like these.